Hi, this is the BioRadar Policy Tracker Tool. The application has a database of regulations, laws, policy initiatives, standards, directives, guidelines, certifications, and more, all relative to bio-based industries. The website is already available and you can visit it on bioradar.yagma.nl. Let me walk you through it. The starting point is keyword search across the full document corpus. Let's say we want to see what the regulatory landscape looks like around circular economy. Results come back ranked by relevance, using a hybrid of semantic similarity and full text matching. Each card shows the document source on the colored stripe. Here you can see OECD and EU Commission, for example, along with the document type, the publication date when available, and the AI-generated classification tags. The counter on top shows how many documents we have. Let's try a different search, like supply chain. As you can see, the results are different and relevant to the topic we are interested about. On the left, we can narrow down with some filters like source, document type, sector, industry, environmental impact, and a publication date range. Let's try one of them. As you can see, only OECD results appear now. The filters can be used also without a previous text search through the entire document corpus. I will filter by economy, industry, by packaging. Now we are looking at every document in the corpus that related to the packaging industry. To check a document in depth, we can click on the title. The detailed view gives us the full abstract of the document, a link to the original publication on the right that can be visited to check the full text of any document, and some metadata about the document itself. Also, we have the same classification chips at the top, but here they are interactive. If I see a tag that interests me, I can click on it and the tool takes me straight back with the filtered search. In this case, for example, we have all documents related with climate change. Beyond search, we also have a document database overview that allows the user to have a different perspective to do the search. Here, the idea is to be able to inspect the corpus in a more visual way. The bubbles shows the relative weight of each source in the corpus. Below them, the horizontal bars break down the corpus by sector, industry, and environmental impact. Each segment is clickable, and it takes us back to the search view with the corresponding filter applied. It is worth mentioning that the web is completely adapted for its usage on mobile. We continue to work very actively on the project, and our plans for future updates include adding more sources and documents, including a user profile system to create and save lists of documents of interest to the user, and adding an AI conversational agent that can guide the user through the corpus of documents and answer questions about them. Thanks for watching.